Hi, it's Lorraine.
And Sophia, and special guest Jinky.
Jinky! I've been to America, which is one of my favorite destinations to visit. And when I was in Chicago recently, I picked up a whole bunch of stuff that was peanut butter flavored. I am a peanut butter freak. Like,
I feel so bad for all these children who are suddenly existing with peanut allergies.
I mean, can it happen all of a sudden? Because I really don't want it to happen to me because I will cry. I will cry big. I only brought 4 items, but they were just calling to me.
Snickers. Snickers squared. Now, I'm confused by this.
4 to go.
Because Snickers are peanuts. So this is a peanut butter Snickers, not a peanut Snickers.
Because I think they use actual peanuts in Snickers, right? Not peanut butter.
So this should be softer and more like a spread on the inside, you know?
Let's hope so. And there are 4 pieces, so we don't even have to cut these up. I mean, I'm already a fan. Because you know what that means, if there's 4 pieces, there's extra chocolate down the side.
That's true, that's very true. It's like the edges of the brownie.
Yes, exactly. Satisfied. I love how confident that is.
Wow, that is...
That needs to go on a t-shirt, and then
a
guy needs to wear
a packet. That's what that needs to... Open it.
Okay, so
I almost want you to break one open as well.
okay. Okay, got a bit squashed. It came all the way from Texas. See? Extra chocolate.
And so, do you think that's going to have some stretch if we break it in half?
Okay.
Because that's my expectation.
Reality versus expectation.
It looks like dry peanut. Oh, it's got the caramel
It's peanut butter. I mean...
That's pretty good, actually.
Oh, baby.
Okay. Looking forward to that.
Yeah. Yes. Is that the bigger half?
Oh, hold on. Yeah, it is.
What a weirdo.
Just making sure.
There are 3 other pieces.
Yeah, but I don't want to eat them all. So the bottom looks all sort of crispy and malty.
I hope so.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
The saltiness.
I'm going to say something controversial.
Uh-oh.
I think that's better than a traditional Snickers.
100% better than a traditional Snickers. I mean, Snickers is okay, but it needs... The problem with the regular Snickers is that the chocolate is not very good, whereas the amount of peanut butter actually...
It's like a Reeses Pieces, you know?
Yes. Oh my God.
Married.
It's like the best inbreeding in the world.
Oh my God. That is really good.
You're awesome. Like, I should have given this as a gift to you,
Yeah.
to letting me stay, but let's just pretend.
Jasmine candle. Rubbish. Give me the chocolate.
Give me the $4 chocolate
Yeah,
bar.
seriously.
Gift card holder.
Gift card holder. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Look
it
at
really is meant to be a gift.
excess of packaging.
This is America. This is America. Oh my God. So I guess so this is...
So it's like a cuppa. It's like a CD cuppa.
Yeah. So but it's filled with Reese's peanut butter cup stuff.
All right, so
I think you have to...
you need scissors.
Yeah.
I mean, you shouldn't. Like, it should be easy.
Okay.
Oh, and so
look.
there's the chocolate. Yeah.
Okay, let's open this up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look
they're
at
big
that!
squares. Do you know
my God,
what?
I'm so
This
excited.
is my mother's favorite.
We can leave some for your mum.
That depends if she watches the video or not. She might never
Look
know.
how good that looks.
Really,
I mean,
like glistening.
this is like
slick
chocolate porn. Oh, okay. We just need a moment.
It's the Reese's Pieces we all know and love. Now, the only criticism I can think about this being in this shape is that because it's flat and square and not round little buckets, there will be less peanut butter.
God.
But I love the milk chocolate. I love this milk chocolate especially, so that's not a problem for me.
Okay, we'll see what it's like.
Speaking of Reese's Pieces.
Your Reese's.
So my issue with this was that
Less peanut butter.
might be less peanut butter. No.
Do you remember when it was really hard to get Reese's Pieces in Australia? Mm-hmm. And you had to go to really expensive candy stores.
Still not super easy.
Yeah, but it's at the supermarket now.
Some supermarkets.
This is too chocolatey.
No, I was just about to say, I like it because it's got so much chocolate. So with less peanut butter comes more chocolate, right?
Yeah, but I prefer the peanut butter to chocolate. So are you team peanut butter or team Nutella?
I am team chocolate over team peanut butter,
You see, I'm the opposite.
but not necessarily team Nutella.
Yeah, okay, because that's got hazelnuts.
I think I'm. Oh shit, that's a really hard one.
Think about it.
I'd choose chocolate over both.
Would you?
Like actual chocolate, yeah.
I would choose
Easy.
peanut butter over everything. Except my dog and those that I love.
Good save.
But this is too chocolatey for me.
No, that's
And
good.
I'm not a huge fan of milk chocolate. I like milk and dark together, but like not.
Let's see, I could eat
It's
a
too sweet for
whole
me.
block of Cadbury Dairy Milk and not even blink.
Oh no, that's not me. That's not me at all.
It's not glamorous either, but
It's not a pretty sight. and there's like chocolate around.
I think I make it look good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hershey's Gold, peanuts and pretzels. And I love the American obsession with pretzels, I have to admit, because I love crunchy things. And this is like caramelized cream.
Oh, that sounds
220
interesting.
calories.
What, per square?
No, per pack.
Now, I have a feeling that this isn't actually chocolate. This is like white chocolate. which is
Oh, are
real
you one of those
chocolate.
people?
It's true. It won't
I know,
have
but like,
the proper cacao in it. It'll just have the bits and pieces.
you
But
sound like a food writer.
yeah, funny about that.
Have you ever tried the Hershey's cinnamon chips?
No, I have not.
Because I don't actually like Hershey's chocolate, but their cinnamon chips are incredible.
Okay, so they're like chips, not chocolate.
No, they're like chocolate chips that you put into cookies.
Chocolate chips or like chocolate crisps? Like oh yes, I got it.
Yeah, like little
Muffins,
tiny baby
yeah.
ones. Yeah, and they're really good. They're really addictive. But yes, there's probably no cocoa butter in this, but this is like a cheap supermarket thing, so we're
Yeah.
probably expecting too much. Anyway,
I do know this caramelized chocolate.
yeah, it's all the rage at the moment, right?
tell you-
It
oh,
sort of
no.
fell apart.
Have you being a Sydney cider been to Birch and Purchase?
Yes, but that's the Melbourne brand.
Yes. Yeah. So he does a really, really delicious caramelized white chocolate, which is what my standard is for this. So
Oh, I don't know if it's going to meet
I
that.
know it's a shame, but this will have that that nice manufactured mass market taste, which is
It's going to have peanuts and pretzels,
that's true.
and that's really why I bought it.
Jinky's coming. The Hershey's Gold, which looks a bit like Hershey's Beige, so
It got a bit crushed in my bag. Peanuts and pretzels, though.
that smells very sweet.
I'd like it with a better quality chocolate. I love the crunch. Are you getting any crunch?
Oh no, it's like that hurts my teeth.
In what way?
That's sweet. That's so much sweeter than the chocolate we just had.
No!
Oh,
We disagree.
I wanna. It hurts my throat. Wow. This looks. I'm sorry to interrupt. This is my cup of tea.
Yes.
I am so excited for this. Anything that's crispy and salty
Yes.
and in the shape of a small pillow
Crunchy.
and filled.
I know. And like, please let it be oozing out.
Please.
I don't know.
Please, just look as good
Please.
in real life as you do on the packet, for God's sake.
0 grams trans fat. Awesome.
Really?
150 calories. No, per serve. It's got to be per serve. Peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. And again, it's that American, 4.5.
10 pretzels. So 30 grams. How many grams is this?
142.
Right, so 30 grams is one serve.
Yeah. I think this is just like a cheapy thing that you get from CVS pharmacy.
Yeah. It's got that home brand sort of look.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
but like I just hold such high hopes for this because I don't know why, but it's peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets.
Yeah. So anything like the picture,
Yes.
it's going to be good. My favourite part of these videos is watching you try to open them. I'll do the next one, so you can laugh at me. Okay, so they look a whole lot like pretzels.
They actually look like the picture.
On the
And
outside.
they've stayed intact as well.
Stay tuned for the inside, right?
This is where we're at for the pretzels, because these are actual. So this puts pretzel before the chocolate. Oh, before the peanut, sorry.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to like that because I like the peanut before anything else.
Oh, hold on. Can you hear yours shaking?
Yes. It's the peanut inside it shaking.
This is going to be a long shot. I don't know if you can hear that. Probably
We
not.
need like a super duper mic for that.
Okay, let's try again. So it sort of looks like the picture. Pretty dry.
Pretty dry.
Pretty dry.
I don't mind them though.
I think both of our favourite
It
is
did
a Snickers.
satisfy. Like the back of the pack says, it satisfies.
I can get satisfaction.
We can.
Don't listen to the
Easily.
song. When there's chocolate and peanut involved, I can get some satisfaction.
What do you think, Jinky?
Jinky wishes she could eat the chocolate, but she can't because this is Snack Nation, not Dog Nation.
We hope you like the video on American snacks.
Mainly just American peanut
Peanut
butter
butter
chocolate, but that's okay. It's the best kind of snack.
Yay! See ya!
See you next time.